Hello traders, the title of the video is how to trade the overbought slow stochastic indicator like an expert. Do you want to trade the slow stochastic indicator like an expert? Alright, so let's get started. In this tutorial, I will share with you how you also can start trading the overbought slow stochastic indicator like an expert. Alright. So an expert slow stochastic trader will be able, to recognize the best time one should sell when the slow stochastic is overbought, but also when one should buy when the slow stochastic is also overbought. All right. So it is a stochastic trader that is not just a selling because the stochastic is overbought, right? But it is somebody who is able to know when one should buy or sell, though the stochastic is overbought, right? So some trader may say, Joe, it looks like you're going to say the same thing again, but that's not what I'm going to do now. If you look carefully on my monthly chart, I have my stochastic 833 is above 75. You can see here. It's well overbought nicely here. All right. So I highlight that section with two vertical lines on my chart. You see, this is the vertical line, and this is another vertical line. So you can see in that section there, though the stochastic was overbought, the price was going up. So the question we are asking, or what we are trying to answer, the question that we want to answer in this tutorial is how to trade the overbought slow stochastic indicator like an expert, be able to buy even though the stochastic is overbought, and knowing exactly when one should sell when the stochastic is overbought. So what we want to do, once this stochastic is overbought on a higher time frame, like a monthly chart or daily chart or weekly chart, we highlight that section, where the stochastic becomes overbought for the first time. So that's the first vertical line there. And we go, so now because I'm on a monthly chart, stochastic is overbought. I know that a lot of technical traders will try to sell. You see the shadow on top of those candlestick bar. People will try to sell each time the price try to go up. All right. So to avoid the stochastic, the overbought stochastic trading mistake, what we need to do, we go to the daily chart. So from the monthly chart, we drop it down to the daily chart, and we want to draw a trend line. All right. So I have already on my chart the trend line here by connecting this point here. Okay, there was another one before. All right, and this one, okay, just to draw a trend line. Okay, so where is the price? Draw a trend line. Okay, so we have that color now into orange. So we switch from the daily monthly chart to the daily chart. We draw a trend line. Very important, powerful tool. So what are we looking for? If we want to buy and the stochastic is overbought on another higher time frame, which is the monthly chart on this case, we switch to the daily chart, we draw the trend line. In order to buy, we want to have a good reason to buy. So if you're on a daily chart, or the stochastic is overbought on a monthly chart, and we see that on the daily chart, the price form a new higher high, followed by a higher low, that is retesting a bullish trend line, and the stochastic normally should be oversold. Sometimes it's not, all right? We have, a buy, signal. So we want also the common trend line here to be kaput. So this is how we, as an expert stochastic trader, will be able to know when it's time to buy and when it's time to sell, though the stochastic is overbought. Most importantly, when it's time to buy, though the stochastic is overbought. So you draw your trend line like this. You see here, it form a new higher high in comparison to this one here. And we have a higher low, retesting a bullish trend line. We wait for this common trend line is kaput on that daily chart, and then we can break it down again, daily chart. Okay, and then we go to the hourly time frame to enter the trend, or if you want to day trade, we'll say daily chart, hourly time frame, and 10-minute time frame. All right, using different time frame trading method. So this is not, so when you see the common line is broken here, it's not that yet the time to enter the trend. You switch to the hourly time frame. Okay, for the entry, if you are swing trading, Or if you want to day trade, you break it down to the 10-minute time frame. All right. So you may say, Joe, what has happened here? This is what we are talking about. So it display again. Hold on, please. Try this. So it form again a new higher high right here. And then it pull back to oops, what am I doing? Moving this. Okay, I don't want to. Then you retest it here, right there. All right. You wait for the common center line to be kaput. And this is why it becomes messy, because if one is not using different time frame trading method, one will be wondering what's going on here. All right, this is it. By using different time frame trading method, we can handle those fluctuations here. Signal fail, just come out. You will find another good one later on. All right, you will find another one. So here again, we have a new higher high here in comparison to this high that was below. All right, if you accept that, this is just a recent one here. You retest it again, common center is kaput. We implement a top-down trading method. Here it is popping up nicely today. This is a Boeing Corporation that swing traders are taking. So you buy here, your first target is this high here. That's your minimum target there, that high here. And if you break above the high, okay, you can project, okay, set a profit target up more, okay? Now, you may say to me, so if we want to sell in this case, we want it to break below a trend line and to retest it here. So there was one here. So it break below it. Now it retests it here. Or it start forming a lower lows, lower high. So if the stochastic is overbought and the price in a declining channel, that's a good time to sell. So now, here it is, it break below. And retest it here because you can see that the price is going up. It's going up, right? It's going up. It break below, retest it here, no much demand to sell. You as an expert stochastic trader, you are trading first the market pattern. You are not trading the stochastic. You are paying attention to the market pattern. The price is in a rising channel, therefore the market sentiment is bullish. We want to look for higher lows and higher high, giving priority to bullish signal above the trend line. All right. So though the stochastic was overbought on a monthly chart, by switching to the hourly time frame, by switching to the daily chart and drawing our trend line, even a channel, we are able to buy. Though the stochastic is overbought, all right, and we will be able to filter out the false signal. Here there was a setup to sell, price did not go down very much, and then we know it's going up more. So you may say to me, George, if I saw this on a 4-hour time frame, because I love day trading, looking for trading setup on a 4-hour time frame, which time frame should I go? Should I switch to, all right, to draw the trend line? You will go to the 15-minute time frame. All right. So let me see if I can find another example for you. So you want a 4-hour time frame? Here it is. It's overbought on the 4-hour time frame. Let's play it. Okay. You want to become a overbought stochastic expert? Normally I should be charging you for this though. Okay, but it's free. Now this to make you laugh a bit. Traders who are following, I know that I say that very often. So if you are new, just laugh, okay? Okay, here it is. It's overbought on 4-hour time frame. We draw the vertical line. I'm going to change their color now. The two vertical line into red. And we go into the 15-minute time frame and see whether we, as a stochastic expert, can make excellent decisions during that time when everybody wants to sell. So pay attention to the two red vertical lines. We are now switching to the 15-minute time frame to examine exactly what has happened there. So here we are. We are on the 15-minute time frame. What do we need to do? We need to draw. Now you get it. Okay. Nice one, isn't it? We draw a trend line. So what are we looking for? Oh, you say, Joe, you asked that question many times. Okay. All right. We are looking for higher lows and higher highs. So this one here. Higher lows, higher high. Didn't touch it properly. Didn't touch properly. It was a bit. You see here. So here it was not a good one. You didn't see a proper high. It was a kind of consolidation here, no proper high. So don't invent it. Don't force it. Don't create it. See a clear cut setup. So here it's clear. We have a new higher high. Now it pull back to retest that trend line. Sometimes traders try to force it and they lose. Clear cut retest. You see, is the stochastic oversold? Not in oversold zone, but it's oversold because it's pointing to a support. You see, it's turning like this. It's indicating support level. Here it is. The trader always asks that question. I will record a video about this. Okay, when is stochastic oversold, but it's not in oversold zone. All right, it's a good one. Higher lows, higher high. Okay, retesting. Okay, that trend line. Now, what do you wait for on the 15th time frame? Common sense line is kaput. Here it is bouncing up. All right. Yeah, so you see, George, I love the daily chart. I don't care about the 4-hour time frame. Tell me something more about the daily chart. So on the daily chart, the same thing we had at this section. And then which time frame do we switch to? The hourly time frame. The hourly time frame. So from the daily chart, stochastic is overbought. You say, okay, what you are trying to do, you are trying to zoom into it on another time frame. But if you're on the monthly chart, you zoom into it on the daily chart. If you're on a daily chart, you'll zoom into it on the hourly time frame. If you're on a 4-hour time frame, you'll zoom into it on the 15-minute time frame. If you're on the hourly time frame, you'll zoom into it on the 3-minute time frame, and so on, and so on, and so on. All right. So sometimes, as you zoom into it, you'll notice that instead of having a rising channel, which you will have instead a declining channel. In that case, you know that, okay, it's a ready-made, okay, sell setup, bearish setup. So you will be selling on the edge of that declining channel. All right. For the stochastic to become an expert on the stochastic trading, we must combine always the stochastic trading with channel market pattern. Okay, 3 market pattern: the rising channel, the declining channel, and the horizontal channel. As we see it is overbought on one higher time frame, we switch to the corresponding lower time frame, we draw the channel, is a rising channel, so pay attention to the higher lows, higher high, because therefore it will be going up. If you break below the channel and retest, you know that, okay, the market sentiment is changing. Now we will focus on bearish signal. If it's going down, you will see on your corresponding lower time frame that the price will switch to a declining channel, and you will be making excellent stochastic trading decision, and you will be, okay, trading overbought stochastic, slow stochastic like an expert. People will be wondering, how come? You can buy here it is, see, be on a quarterly time frame. Here it is, see, is overbought. You highlight that session, you are your position trader. So here it is. From the point where the stochastic becomes oversold for the first time, right there. And okay, so as it became overbought for the first time, just put a line there, okay? And then for the quarterly time frame, all right, which time frame should you go? Go to the weekly time frame. And then on the weekly time frame, draw your trend line. If you pull back, you are position trader. You are creaming it, so to speak, using a top-down trading method. So what you are doing on the corresponding lower time frame is to find a good reason, which means a trading setup, stochastic overbought on a higher time frame. Now we switch to the corresponding lower time frame, looking for a good reason, which is a trading setup that we can trade using a top-down trading method. All right. So with that, you will be, now from today, you will start trading the overbought stochastic like an expert. It's overbought. You will know when you should sell and when you should buy. At the time when everybody is busy ganging to sell a bullish stock in a rising channel, on a corresponding lower time frame, you will be looking for higher lows and higher highs. The opposite is also true. When the stochastic is oversold, we'll do exactly the same thing. It's oversold. And you want to know, as I'll be recording another video, because this one is about, okay, this is what I call the focus tutorial. And I'm talking about one specific topic, and I don't want to talk about anything else. So I will not talk about oversold today. I will be recording another video when I will be talking about the oversold, how to trade the oversold slow stochastic indicator like an expert. Are you start feeling like an expert already? All right. So the next step that you need to do, don't get too excited about it, or is to practice first. In order to become truly an expert, is the first stage is the accumulation of the knowledge. So you assimilate the knowledge, you duplicate the knowledge. Now the next step is to practice. You won't become an expert boxer if you are watching a lot of boxing videos, all right, on YouTube. All right, you need to go into the ring and face a real person and knock him down many times, then you will feel really like an expert. So same thing we do in training. You want to practice, all right, until you master it before you go live. Use a demo account, all right, and own it, all right. As always, if you have any question or suggestion, well, this is your time. Put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If you find this video truly useful, let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you think that this is another blah 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 blah, all right, let us know by giving us the thumbs down. All right. If you think that this is an essential tutorial, okay, feel free to share with your friend on Google Plus, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to trade the overbought a slow stochastic indicator like an expert. Happy trading to you all and speak to you soon.